Alright, so it would seem at this time, project number 1, instead of just replacing one of the cracked turn signals, I just went ahead and bought a full set. I'm going to replace them. They come with these little bullet connectors. Didn't have the right ones, so I went and I just bought brand new bullet connectors and male and female sides, some electrical tape, some wire. The idea is someday if I want to change out these things again, or if I'm forced to because I dropped it and broke them, I should just be able to disconnect and reconnect them instead of having to resolder wire. We'll see how it works out. This is what I'm talking about. I'm not a big fan of these crimp connectors. You can see the copper sticking out of them. So I'm just going to go ahead and replace those. Now that we got 2 connectors on, what did I do with it? Aha. Before wasting your time trying to figure out why it doesn't work later, check it now. Let's go to DC volts. What'd I say? Black with the white should be negative. This one should be positive. Oh no, I can't just stay there. Why is it so hard with one hand? Oh right, turn signals. These will only be hot when it's turning. Aha, there we go. Set the turn signal on. There it is. 10 volts is not running. Yeah, that's probably about right. Alright, moving on. Alright, so here's the neat bonus. I bought 2 of these for the front that are just 2 lead. That's all they're going to do. But then, the other box, and I didn't know it, I thought they were both this way. Well, whatever. I'm going to throw these on the back, a little more visibility that way. 3. I can count, I swear. 3. There they are. Woo! 3. So, the advantage of that is, I can have running lights in the back, which is definitely not a stock feature, but I did find an extra power source back there thanks to the guy that just ripped up all the power, and I was checking them out earlier. I didn't want to cut these off, but that's how it came. Came with ones that were too small. I couldn't find the right connectors instead of screwing around with it. This is so much faster than driving store to store. Cut those off as close as I can. I like to keep a lot of wire available. You never know. There it is. Okay. Alright, so now let's test it. Totally works. I'm just going to do that 3 more times. We'll see how it looks. I don't want to bore everyone. Alright, so sometime later, I tell it to go right. Whoa. Left? Yeah. Bonus. Running lights. So that's it until next time. One other thing to note, the wiring under here cleaned up a lot. I put those cool connectors on and I electrical taped over them to keep them a little bit more waterproof. I didn't find my heat gun, so that shrink wrap will have to wait for another time.